Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel is Finding Value. And if you guys are looking for the best investment opportunities out there, click subscribe to the channel. I'll get you some investment opportunities in front of you. They're mainly commodities. Why is it mainly commodities? That's where the value is. That's where the money's going to flow into. And I think the money's going to flow out of bonds and stocks. Are they just going to go down? No, maybe not. It depends. It'll be a slow rotation. It will take time, but eventually the money will flow into commodities because as interest rates go up, that's going to spur a money rotation. And that money rotation is going to come from bonds and stocks and into commodities and other inflation-protected assets. So I got the hypothetical portfolio up behind me. I have done nothing with it. I haven't bought anything, haven't sold anything. I created this portfolio January 8th, 2021. I've added into the portfolio continually over the entire time frame. So the average holding period is probably only 3 months. It's not very long. My return on the portfolio is 43.36%. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're up $66,000. It's kind of an arbitrary number. I've just been throwing money in there just from a perspective that you guys know when I'm adding. So you guys know what I'm doing when I'm doing it. And you should be having a portfolio that's up 43.36% if you started it in January 8th. I do think, I'm trying to think, my other portfolio my real portfolio, the one that I had created before I created this channel. I think my 1 year return on that is 220%. It's my 1 year return. So this one is 43.36%. We have not had a gigantic move yet in this portfolio for a large impulse move higher. I think it's coming right now. So I think we're going to see this performance do very well over the next summer. And you might see this thing jump up over 100% or something at some point. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Give it a 4 or 5 months, 6 months, something like that. Maybe the fall of this year. But it's coming. It's coming. The charts are all breaking massive patterns. We have a lot of very good companies in this portfolio. And I'll go over some of them. So let's go over. Scroll on down here. Where would I be adding right now? That was the question. I do like Nova Royalty right here, NOVRF. It is a royalty company. I think royalty companies have an advantage, the way the business is set up. And Nova is in copper and nickel. So I do like that they have and are actively getting more royalty companies in copper and nickel. I think that copper is an excellent play going over the next 5-10 years. So that's one spot I definitely want to capture some investment money, is that copper play. And Nova, I think, is the spot to do it. So in my personal portfolio, I have added into Nova Royalty recently in the $3.10 range is what I remember buying some at. So in the $3 range, low $3, $3.10, I've been adding it. Looking down, we've got precious metals royalty companies. They've been very good pickups for this portfolio that you have behind me. We have Cisco Gold, Sandstorm Gold, Franco-Nevada, Royal Gold, Wheaton Precious Metals. Metalli's that one went up actually quite a bit bunch today. Dang it. But those are all good. These are all very good pickups. You can tell that they've done very well in the portfolio here in the past couple month or so. They are in new uptrends. The precious metal sectors are, and any of these royalty companies would be great additions, any of them. And remember, royalty companies are the purest play you can make on a bet. So what you're doing is you're saying, I don't care about the input costs. Get those things out of here, which I prefer to get rid of is the input costs. Get rid of that oil cost, get rid of all that stuff. It's a pure play on volume and price. So if the companies that they have royalties on, if they're producing higher volumes and they're producing at a higher price, you capture both of those things, volume and price. It's the purest play to make lots of money on the precious metals and even base metal sectors. So I really like royalty companies. Going on down, where would I be adding? Deep Yellow. Deep Yellow is a uranium company. John Borshoff. I would be looking at picking up some more Deep Yellow. They are an excellent company. I think they're in a good jurisdiction in Namibia, and I think they're going to crush it. They're going to crush it. Going on down, Appia is a good company. They have a pretty good chart pattern. I'm up 78, 79% on the portfolio. They're good. Moving on down, Callon Petroleum's looking really good. CPE, that's another oil company, solid oil company. It's got a lot of debt, but as the price goes up, it is highly leveraged to the price of oil. Next Gen Energy, that's a good one. Same with Fission Uranium. Global Atomics, very good. These guys have all returned very well in the portfolio. Crew Energy, very good value there up in Canada for an oil company. And Terra Resources has done very well, 81% up. Southwestern Energy. Laramide still hasn't broken its large pattern. I like buying before breakouts. LMRXF. I did do a very good job buying this, up 125%. I think I bought it just that one time at 20 cents. Cell 32 is good. Taseko Mines is good, 76%. Solid company. Bannerman, that would be a nice addition. That's a uranium company. That one's going to do very well, I think, soon. I think I have bought in that one a couple times, and I bought it 5.3, so I did buy it recently. Moving on down, SM Energy, good solid pickup if you want something to purchase here. I'm up 119% on it. I think this one's going to be coming out of a pullback period. So this guy's going to move higher very soon, I think. Very soon. And I think oil is going to have an excellent run here this summer. With demand coming back, more airplanes flying, all that stuff. Baseload has had a rough year. James Sykes, the CEO, I talked to him over the phone once. I think he can pull this thing off. I know that they've been delayed on their shadow project on doing ground gravity survey and also doing some drilling. I'm sticking with them. And as you can see, I've been cost averaging into his company. I think it's a good company. He's got some good areas to explore. And hopefully they find something big. That'd be awesome for everybody. PurePoint, good company. Norilsk Nickel, definitely. I like that one a lot here. Norilsk Nickel. And you can see I've been cost averaging in. They had an accident at one point. Share price came back down. I bought some more. That's what these $27.50 and $30. Perfect time to buy some more. But that's a good company. Mosaic's a good company here. Solid company. Reconnaissance Africa. Big shares up here. I cost averaged in, and they could be the biggest oil deposit in the world. If this is the last kind of frontier where oil, let's say we need oil and oil goes through the roof, these guys have the largest deposit probably in the world. Reconnaissance Africa. Encore Energy, another solid company. I like this one very much. Been cost averaging into it for the hypothetical portfolio. Ely Gold's a good one. It's a royalty company. You can tell I cost averaged in here. Been just cost averaging in, and it's paying off. It's putting hundreds in my hypothetical portfolio. Moving on down, MCF's good. These are all good. Teuton Resources, this is a good company here. $2.10 isn't bad. I'd still buy it. Solid company up in the Golden Triangle. It's a royalty company. Very good. Metallic Minerals, looks like I'm down a little bit on it. That's another one probably to look into and buy. MMNGF. AG, EXK, Mag Silver, all these like Hecla Mining, all those, all good. All good. Get in them, hold on them, hold. GoviX Uranium, another one. This is a very good company here. I like this one right here. Hasn't broken out yet. It will break out, and it will do very well. So those are the ones that I like in the hypothetical portfolio. Remember, the portfolio is up 44%, and I've been in it for half a year. So, well, not even half a year, 4 months. It's been open for 4 months. So 4 months, 44%, not too bad. I'll take it. I think we are in an impulse move higher for silver. If silver breaks and it breaks 50, this portfolio is going to do very well. And this 44% is going to change. It's going to go way higher. And I've got the positioning on this. I've got royalty companies. I've got other large silver companies, and they are going to do excellent. So it's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. I'm sitting there. I'm positioned. You can see the positions I've got. You can see where I would be adding in the hypothetical portfolio. You've seen the performance of 44%, and I think we're going to do even better. So it's coming. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions on anything, put it in the comment section, please. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.